Choosing the right CNC router can be challenging. Limited power, poor accuracy, small work areas, and complex setup often hold users back. That's why modern CNC routers stand out with stronger motors, precise control, multi-axis support, and wide material compatibility. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best CNC routers for woodworking, metal engraving, PCB milling, and DIY projects. We analyzed specifications, real user feedback, and performance value to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart machine reviews. Number 5. RDDSPON Laser Engraver CNC Router. The RDDSPON CNC Laser Engraver is a compact and beginner-friendly machine designed for light engraving and DIY woodworking. It offers 2.5W to 7W optical laser power and a 300 by 300 mm working area, making it suitable for wood, leather, paper, and soft materials. The open frame design keeps it lightweight and portable, while simple software control helps beginners start quickly. Ideal for small workshops and hobby projects, this CNC engraver delivers clean engraving results without complex setup or heavy investment. Number 4. YOOCNC 2200W 5-axis CNC Router. The YOOCNC 6040 series is a powerful and professional-grade CNC router built for metal engraving and precision machining. With a strong 2200W spindle, 4-axis and optional 5-axis support, it handles aluminum, PCB boards, drilling, and milling tasks with ease. The rigid frame improves stability, while the included water sink system helps manage heat during long operations. This machine is best suited for advanced users, small factories, and serious makers who need accuracy, durability, and multi-axis flexibility. Number 3. RATTM CNC 3018 Pro. The RATTM CNC 3018 Pro is one of the most popular entry-level CNC routers for home users. Featuring a 3-axis design with GRBL control, it supports wood carving, PCB engraving, plastic cutting, and light metal work. The compact size fits easily on a desk, while the upgraded frame improves precision over basic 3018 models. Laser module compatibility adds extra versatility. This CNC router is perfect for learning CNC machining, small creative projects, and budget-friendly workshops. Number 2. TwoTrees TTC450 PRO CNC Router. The TwoTrees TTC450 PRO is a versatile 3-axis and 4-axis CNC router designed for both hobbyists and semi-professional users. It supports materials like wood, acrylic, MDF, PVC, PCB, and soft metals. The large working area, stable structure, and precise motion system allow clean cuts and detailed engraving. Jewelry engraving and detailed carving are strong points of this machine. Easy assembly, reliable performance, and flexible axis options make it a strong value choice for serious DIY creators. Number 1. BulkMan3D OXMAN CNC Router Kit. The BulkMan3D OXMAN CNC Router Kit is a high-performance industrial-style machine built for demanding tasks. It features SFU 1610 ball screws, dual linear rails, and 4-axis support for superior accuracy and rigidity. Designed to handle wood, acrylic, aluminum, and other metals, this CNC router delivers professional-level cutting and engraving results. The modular kit design allows customization based on workspace needs. If you want maximum strength, precision, and long-term reliability, this is the most powerful CNC router on the list. CNC routers unlock precision, power, and creativity across woodworking, metal engraving, and DIY projects. These 5 machines cover everything from beginner setups to industrial-grade performance. Whether you're learning CNC or upgrading your workshop, there's a perfect option here. Which CNC router fits your needs best? Comment below and subscribe for more machine reviews.